portable sound machine. USB Type-C charging port right there. Power button, volume up, volume down. White noises. So those are 6 white noises. You also have 8 natural sounds. You also have 7 baby sounds. So those are your travel sounds with the Dreamy D11 Max. Now you have a 30-minute timer, a 60-minute timer, and a 90-minute timer, or you can just leave it running. To turn it off, all you gotta do is push and hold the power button, and it turns off. It remembers your setting though, because when you turn it back on, it's the same sound effect.